It's common in deep learning that your gradients may trend to zero, which is called vanishing gradients, or they might trend to infinity, which is called exploding gradients. This happens as a side effect of backpropagation, where you might multiply many things that are just above one together, which means that you will trend to infinity, and many things that are just below one, which will trend to zero. And this will make your training unstable. Lightning has a flag called track grad norm. This will help you identify vanishing and exploding gradients. You can set the track grad norm flag to the LP norm that you like. For example, if you want to do the L2 norm, you can set it to 2. If you want to track the infinity norm, you can set it to inf.